Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A37 and I'm going to show you how to record your screen. So at first to record your screen you need to open the control panel like this. Here if you prolong this thing over here you should see many options. One of it should be screen recorder, one of them. If you don't see the screen recorder, tap this pen icon, tap here edit, and now here as you can see we have this expandable area and we can either add or wait a moment, where is this button? Here at the controller we can add our screen recording to the place. So finally yourself over here, this should be here as you can see. Capture screen recorder. Then let me tap my screen recorder quickly, and now here we can area to record full screen or partial screen, audio to record none, media and media music to narrate, and show taps and touches. Here start recording, skip countdown, and now as you can see, and here we are now recording our screen. You can see my taps, everything that I do on the screen right now, and here what I'm doing. Now we can tap this button to confirm the recording, and now gallery, and it is right here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.